Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam. If you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely gonna love my channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. In today's video, I am beyond excited and honestly just kind of like speechless. I just finished wrapping my what I got my mom for Christmas video, and I got a knock at the door, and I got a package from just like a random package, but it's not just a random package. It's from Versace. So honestly, like, who would have thought that a small town kid from Michigan would end up growing up with all of this and then get an actual Christmas gift from their favorite brand, Versace. So I'm honestly like dying right now. Like, okay, so my Versace essay, she did text me and she was just like, "What initials do you want on something?" And I was like, "My initials on something? What? Okay." So I sent her my initials, and I can only really think of two things. One, this is probably going to be a Versace Christmas ornament with my initials on it, or it's going to be a notebook. But I don't think it's a notebook just because of the packaging, but also just like when you shake it, it kind of sounds like a cute little bell, like it's going to be like a cute Christmas bell with my name. So I will shake it so you can hear it. So I don't know what it is, but I am so excited to find out right now. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh God, can you believe it? I actually got a Christmas gift from Versace. Like, just saying, like, Versace sent me something for free. I'm like, I love it. Could you imagine if I end up on, like, their PR package list thing? That would be so iconic. Especially because me, like, we all know, like, I love Versace so much. I did an entire Versace Barbie photo shoot for them. So, it's just so great, and I love it. Before I open it and take it out, I have to say that, like, huge thank you to my Versace essay, because, I mean, honestly, I know she's the one that, like, did this for me. I know she's the one that put my name on the list. She's the one that texted me and was like, "Hurry up, give me your initials." So I'm like, oh my god, it's so cool. So I still don't know what it is quite yet, but I'm about to find out. We're all about to find out. But it's a shopping bag. Okay, cool. Okay, so here we have the cute little shopping bag. I'm so excited to see what is in it. And with the shopping bag, of course. Oh my god, how cute is this? Okay, I still don't know what it is, but this is just so cute. Because this is like a box that you would get for like jewelry or something. So, okay, I'm gonna take another guess. I'm gonna guess it's a brooch with my initials. Like, imagine like a cute Medusa shaped brooch that says like Adam on it. That would be really, really cute. But there is also a card as well. So let's go ahead and open the card first. The beautiful Medusa sticker on the thing. You know what's also really cool is there's so many people that like want to doubt me and my YouTube channel and stuff like that, and it's just so cool because like who got a gift from Versace? I did. So like tell me it's not like taken off and it's doing good because I'm like I did it. Okay, cool. Okay, so card. Voila. Okay, it says Versace at the top. I'm so excited. Okay, Adam, I hope you have a beautiful holiday with all of your loved ones. This gift is just for you. XOXO. Merry Christmas. Love always. And then it says my Versace essay's name, which I'll keep private just because I don't want everybody, jumping on my essay. But, oh my god, so how cute. This is gonna go on my wall. I'm so excited. So cute. Okay, box. Moment of truth. Still wrapped. Oh my god, it's pink. I really do want pink. Oh my god. Okay, this is so freaking cool. Oh my god. Okay, so it's a cute little Medusa charm with like the cute little thing, so you can go ahead and put it on whatever. Feels like this is made out of leather. It says Versace, made in Italy. So, I mean, like, how cute is that? But get ready for this part. On the back, it has my initials on it. So, my initials are very, very important to me. And you might have questions about my initials because, like, my Louis Vuitton duffel bag has it. But you may be, like, questioning, like, how are those your initials? But later on in my YouTube channel story. I will make a video about my initials and like the importance of it because there is a big meaning to them. But how cute is this? Oh my god, and it's pink. I love pink. She knows I love pink. And oh my god, honestly, so cool. I mean, this could technically be like a little necklace or like a dog collar. Could you imagine if I get a dog? Oh my god, that'd be so cute. Let me put this on this. Like, oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, so I need like a bigger key holder thingy to hook this on right here, but I can get something. But I mean, like, you see the like idea of this? Ooh, so cute. Oh my god, I love this. Love, 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 love. Wow. So cool, right? Love that. Ooh, gorgeous. Wow. Love it. Amazing. Crowd's going wild. Oh my god. Glorious. Glamorous. Oh my god, Adam, we love you. Now putting this on like my Chanel Trendy, it's a big pink difference because, okay, so this bag is technically light beige, but in some lights it looks pink. They do make this in a pink, like when it's like back here and it looks pink, they make that exact shade. But this would look so cute on this too. Oh my god, how cute is this? Ooh, and this on like the La Medusa right there, and then this even on like the pop of color on like the black with the Prada. This would, honestly, like, bravo. Cool thing about this is, like, okay, honestly, I don't think this is something you can buy. So, the fact that it's, like, customed and it's, like, personalized, it's just so, like, this is so cool. I love it. To be honest, I'm actually getting really into personalizing everything lately. Like, there's this one bag I want, and it's a bag that, like, we all kind of know from, like, Lily and Bean, but it has your initials on it. So right now, I'm loving, like, I'm in my initial era right now. So everything I want will have, like, my initials on it, and I just think it's so cute and personalized, and it's like, you know, it's for you with your name on it. But my Versace essay, thank you so, so much. I truly do love this, and I appreciate this, and it's so cool. I love it. And honestly, thank you, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays. Alright, that is it, and I am so excited and so honored. Like, honestly, I truly am very, very honored because I put so much work into everything I do, and especially the brand Versace. I've invested so much into it. So just to be like recognized in any type of way, it really means anything, like everything to me. Because if you know me, you know one of my biggest dreams is to be one of their like campaign spokesmodels, because that would just be iconic and amazing. Me up on billboards with the Versace sunglasses and the outfits, it's just so like right on and like to the point. It's just so me. I would be so honestly blessed if I could work for Versace in that way. But all of this is just like, you know, like when you really like manifest something and it starts to happen, it's just like it's happening. So honestly, I love it. But thank you all so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. And you, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, tell me how you feel about this gift. And Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And make sure you all have a great day. Au revoir.